So the other day our microwave died and it was shooting sparks out from the inside. So last night my husband comes home with this fancy LG stainless steel smart inverter magnetron, which sounds like something from a Transformer movie. And it's pretty cool. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna pop some popcorn. I have popcorn in here. So let's see. There's just actually a popcorn button. Pop. Okay, good. Pop. We're gonna pop. Then start, which is also. That was a fun little noise. Okay, we're gonna fast forward this part. Just to prove that I'm letting it pop all the way, because normally when you pop popcorn, if you hit the popcorn button, you have to stop it so it doesn't burn the kernels, you have to listen to it and all that. Not so with this. You'll see in a second. Is that not the most ridiculous thing you've ever heard in your life? Okay, we're gonna wait like 30 seconds and pretend like we forgot about it and see what happens next. It's so stupid. Okay, so we're gonna open up the popcorn here. Put it over there. Hold on. Alright. How do we stand for it? None of this popcorn is burned. Not one single kernel has been wasted. There are no unpopped kernels in here, anywhere, and the popcorn is not burnt. And I am so impressed. It's amazing. I'm gonna eat popcorn now. Bye.